How you doing? I'm Darren with Kickin BBQ. If this is your first time to the channel, then welcome. If you've been here before, then welcome back. Today we are talking pork belly burnt ends. These are one of my favorite appetizers to make. Number one, because it's a pretty quick cook. You're looking at about 4 or 5 hours depending on what temp you're cooking at. Number two, it's a really great bite of barbecue. You know, you got your barbecue seasoning, you got your sauce, and whatever other special things you want to throw in during the wrap period. They're absolutely amazing. I've done a video on them before, but I wanted to do kind of my updated recipe using my rub, using the Lone Star Grill's pellet smoker. You can cook these on any smoker. You just want to run at about 275 degrees. Cooking to color, cooking to temp, saucing them up. It's an easy recipe, so let's bring you in and show you how we're going to prep these pork belly burnt ends. All right, so you can see we have a nice piece of pork belly right here. I'd say it's about a pound or two, just real nice looking. And today, all we're going to do for our pork belly burnt ends is I see a lot of people, cutting them up, cubing them up. So they're a bunch of little small squares, and that's fine. You can do that if you want. How I like to do it is just kind of measure out a good size. Then I like to cut them into strips, which is how I'm gonna cook them. About like that. Important thing is to try and keep them all even. All right, so there we go. There are our strips. Now all we're gonna do is get these seasoned up. I'm just gonna flip these over and start with the fat cap first. First thing we're coming in with is the Tailgaters BBQ Party Rub as our base layer. Like I said before, this is my favorite combination on pork. So just a nice light dusting on there. Next, we're coming in with my Kickin BBQ Honey Chipotle. Come in with the primary rub here, a little bit heavier, get some good color, we'll get that pressed in. And then we're just gonna repeat the process on every single side. All right, so now that we have our pork belly completely seasoned up, we're gonna get this out on the Lone Star Grill's pellet grill, running at 275 degrees today. We're just gonna let these go for probably 2 hours before we even check them. So I'll meet you outside at the cooker and we'll get these on. All right, so we are just going to get our pork belly on the grates up top here. Just spaced out so we can get a little airflow around them. I have fat cap down on these. And there we go. We're gonna let these go for probably 2 hours, come back, check them, see how they look, see if they need a spritz, and just let them do their thing. So we will see you in 2 hours. All right, so it has been 2 hours since we got the pork belly on. Let's take a peek and see how it's looking. And oh yeah, that is looking real nice. We have some wonderful color on there, some great smoke rolling. I'm just gonna show you right here. This yellow fat popping, that's exactly what we want. It means it's starting to render. So we're gonna get these inside, get them cubed up, and show you what we're gonna do to wrap them and get them tender. But these are looking absolutely fantastic. I'm gonna take a little internal temperature reading here. We're sitting at about 175 degrees. So they're barked up nice, good color, everything's looking fantastic. We're just gonna get these in, and I'll bring you in and show you how we're gonna wrap these up and get these bad boys tender. All right, so here's our pork belly. You can see we have some great color on here. Everything is looking fantastic. Now we're just gonna get these cubed up into equal pieces. And they don't have to be perfect, just try and get them as close as you can, but look at that. Nice and juicy already, looks absolutely fantastic. So I'm just gonna get these back into this aluminum pan. All right, so once we have them in the aluminum pan, I'm just gonna go in with a couple pats of butter here. There's enough fat on here from the pork belly, but I just wanna get a little bit of butter in there just to help keep our sugars from burning, add a little bit more richness to it. So that's looking really good. Next, I'm gonna come in with some of this rib candy. This is apple cherry habanero, and I'm just gonna drizzle some over all the pieces here. And this stuff is gonna add a really nice flavor, really nice shine. It's just gonna cook down and be fantastic. And then I'm gonna come in with some of this Head Country apple habanero, just keeping with the theme of the apple habanero. I really like this barbecue sauce, and this is just gonna be a really nice flavor on these pork belly burnt ends. And I know a lot of people are adding brown sugar and stuff like that. I don't think it's necessary. There's enough sugar in this barbecue sauce that's gonna be nice and sweet. So you just wanna get that all coated up. We're just gonna toss these around just so everything is coated nicely. Look at that, these are gonna be so good. Absolutely beautiful. Now we're just gonna get a lid on these. Now I'm gonna get these back onto the smoker, 275 degrees for 2 hours. I'm not gonna bring you back out there to show you putting them on, but I'm gonna let these go 2 hours. I'll bring you back, check for tenderness. They should be done. We'll do one more thing. We'll get them ready to eat. These are gonna be fantastic, so we will see you in 2 hours. All right, so it has been an hour and a half on these pork belly burnt ends. I'm just gonna go ahead and get them open and check for tenderness here. Oh, those are looking fantastic. Look how beautiful those are. Oh, just straight butter, 203, 205. And this is what you're looking for right here. I mean, just squeeze them and they'll start to fall apart. You see that juice squirting out? So this is looking absolutely amazing. So now we got to get this braising liquid out of here, and to do that I'm just going to drain it out and I'll bring you back and show you how we're going to finish these off. All right, so I've drained off the braising liquid. You can see our burnt ends are looking really nice here. Good fat render, super tender. I mean, if I just squeeze this, it's going to fall apart. So that's what we're looking for. Now we're just going to come in with some more of the Head Country apple habanero and just get some on every piece. That is looking fantastic. Now we're just going to toss these to get them all coated. And that is looking beautiful. I'm gonna get these back in and let that sauce tack up for about 5 minutes or so. That's all we're gonna need. And then we're gonna let these cool and we'll have some delicious pork belly burnt ends. See you in about 5 minutes. All right, so it's been about 5 minutes. You can see these have tacked up very nicely, looking extra shiny, extra delicious. I'm gonna bring these in, let them cool off for a few minutes, and then we'll jump in and do a taste test. So we'll see you in about 10-15 minutes. All right, guys, so before we jump in and do the taste test, I just wanted to show you what these are looking like. They look absolutely fantastic. They're so tender. They look so juicy. They smell amazing. So let's jump out and let's do the taste test. All right, guys, so I can't wait any longer. We're gonna try these pork belly burnt ends out right now. Let's do it. No teeth required. Those are so tender. They're smoky, they're sweet, they're delicious, extremely rich. Man, I'm going in for one more and then I'll give you my final opinion on these, but that is about the perfect bite right there. Yeah, these are unbelievable, super simple, only take a couple hours. It's a quick cook. Man, cook these up for a birthday party, game day, whatever. They're guaranteed to be a hit. If you've never done pork belly before, it's very simple. You're just cooking to color, cooking to tenderness, saucing it up with a nice glaze. Use whatever rubs and seasonings and sauces that you like, but I highly recommend at least using some Kickin BBQ honey chipotle. So yeah, beautiful. Absolutely no teeth required. Guys, these are fantastic. You got to give them a try. If you do, be sure to come back, leave me a comment, let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, ring that bell, stay safe, and we will see you next time.